Hello, Kathy. Happy birthday! Hope
Happy
you have a
birthday!
wonderful birthday today. May God continue to bless you, protect you, and wishing you all the best in life. Good health also for the family.
Yes.
And thank you for the friendship. Even we're apart, we're here in Palmy and you're in hockey, we're still remember you guys, love you guys with all our hearts. And we love you so much, guys. I love you.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Kathy. And may God continue to bless your family, bless you, guide you with all your decisions. And I know God will continue to use you to spread His blessings and His word and the mission. Continue what you're doing. Continue being awesome. And we hope to see you soon.
Yes. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Kathy. Wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. I hope this year will be as fabulous as you are. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy!
On behalf of Wellington City, gusto ko sanang batiin si Mayora Cathy Fadriquela Grimaldo ng isang maligayang kaarawan. At sa ngalan na rin ng New Zealand First, I do wish you a happy birthday. Long may you live, more candles to blow, and God save the King. Keep up the good work, and I do hope to see you soon.
Happy 40th, Kathy! This is it, another milestone. We're entering a new decade. I'm happy to know and see that you are in a good place. You are loved and happy, and I wish you more of that. I also wish you great health and more blessings. Sana hindi tayo maging sakitan kasi sabi nila when you turn 40, naglalabasan lahat yung mga sakit. I can't wait to see you all soon, real soon, and bond with you. I'm grateful that we are still in each other's life. I'm thankful for the friendship. Life happens and it will continue to happen, but know that I'm always be here. Cheers to the 40th. Happy birthday again. I'll see you real soon. Enjoy. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, Mommy Cathy.
Happy birthday, Mommy Cathy.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Kathy. May the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. Have a happy birthday, Tita Kathy.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Kathy. Yeah, thank you for being a friend to us. Kayong dalawa ni Johnny, parehas kayong blessing sa amin.
Yeah, indeed. And our prayer for your birthday is that you will continue to serve the Lord in the next 40 years of your life and beyond, diba? With all your strength, with all your might. And we really appreciate how you have loved the Lord and how you love the community. And even some mga friends are really very consistent and very spontaneous. So we pray that you will, you will live out God's design for you as a mom, as a wife, as a friend, and as a leader in the community. Happy
Birthday, Kathy.
Hello, Kathy. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Miss na miss ko na kayong lahat. See you soon. God bless you all. Ate, I remember yung ginawa mo sa akin. Sinasamahan mo ako sa doktor. Kaya namimiss ko kayong lahat. Okay, again, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hello, ate. Di ako na-inform na 40 ka na pa. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Sana siya kayo parating na Kuya Gani sa ni Aiba. Saka welcome back to the Philippines.
Happy birthday, Tita Yambu. Hello. Okay.
Ate, happy 40th birthday. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na ikaw ang naging ate ko kasi very responsible and great role model ka. Tinry ko nga i-copycat yung ginagawa mo kaso mahirap pantayan kasi extremely talented ka sa music, sa arts. Hirap talaga Tas napaka-strong pa ng personality mo. At dahil doon na itaguid mo yung sarili mo at nakatulong ka sa pamilya natin. Saksi ako sa mga pagod at hirap mo noon. Kaya I'm so happy that you're living the life that you deserve. At may bonus ka pang mabait na asawa at mabait ding anak na si Aiba. Kaya salamat sa Diyos talaga. And tandaan mo lagi na may isang chepot na lagi kang naalala, namimiss, lagi kitang nasa puso. Mahal kita, ate. See you soon. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. I love you, Mama Chup Chup.
Birthday, Tita Grace. See you soon.
Hello?
Hi, ate. Happy birthday. Miss ka na namin dito. Kahit di tayo nag-uusap palagi, lagi kita naiisip. Kayo dyan, lagi kayo kasama sa prayers ko na sana ingatan kayo ni Lord na bigyan kayo ng magandang health and patatagin yung family nyo to more blessings at challenges na matumating man sa inyo, makayanan nyo dyan. And I can't wait na makabalik kayo rito para magka-bonding naman ng matagal-tagal dahil ang tagal na rin, hindi tayo nakita. Sana stay humble and kind kasi you are a blessing to us and to your family and to the people around you who loves you. Ingat ka palagi. I love you.
Ecclesiastes 12:13. Ito ang wakas ng bagay. Lahat ay nadinig. Ikaw ay matakot sa Diyos at sundin mo ang kanyang mga utos, sapagkat ito ang buong katungkulan ng tao. Ayun ang pagkatakot sa Panginoon. Susundin mo lahat ang kanyang utos. Yun lang, masishare ko sa'yo. Happy birthday! Kapayapaan! My beloved daughter. I would like to share you Bible verses. Kawikaan 22:4. Ang kagandihan sa kapakumbabaan at ang pagkatakot sa Panginoon ay kayamanan at karangalan at buhay. Ano ang pagkatakot sa Panginoon? Ecclesiastes.
Happy birthday, Grace! Catherine Grace, ang binigay sa yung pangalan ng mami mo. Talagang, yung pangalan mong Grace, talagang nagmamanifest sa'yo. Kaya, isa kang Grace talaga sa amin. Salamat, Grace, dahil hindi mo ko pinagdamutan bilang tiyahin mo. Tuwing kailangan ko ng tulong, andiyan ka. Tinutulungan mo ako. Lalo na ang laki ng natulong mo sa akin sa pagpapa-opera ng mata ko. Talagang di ko malilimutan. Naalala ko nung baby ka pa. Ang lampin mo yung ano ng arena sa bakery. Yun yung lampin mo eh. Yan, baby ka pa, naalagaan kita. Kayo nila Mac, nila naalagaan ko kayo kahit papano. And I'm so grateful, naging pamangkin kita. Sabi ko nga, napaka-bless ko dahil binigyan ako ng mga pamangkin na napakabait. And I'm so blessed. Napakabait ng Panginoon. Nung naalala ko nung nakunan ka noon, talaga nag-pray ako, Lord, sabi ko, tulungan mo si Grace. Nung time na yun, di ba, kinausap kita na may blessing pandarating sa'yo. Kaya yun, papasalamat ako sa Lord dahil binigay sa'yo si Eva, di ba? Kaya, ang bait talaga ng Panginoon. And I'm so blessed na naging pamangkin kita. At napaka-bless mo dahil binigyan ka ng asawa na napakabait ni Gani. Ayan, Gani. Ayan. Thank you sa iyo, Gani, dahil nakita ko how you treat, nakita ko yung sparkling ba sa mata ni Gracia na nagkaroon siya ng mabait na asawa. Thank you, Gani, and Grace, God bless you. God really bless you. Richly bless you. Thank you, Gracia. Ako ang magte-thank you talaga sa iyo sa tulong na ginagawa mo sa akin. Wala akong masasabi kundi maraming salamat. Yan. Salamat, Grace. Huwag mong kakalimutan na lagi hindi ko man kayo chinachat para kamustahin. Pero sa puso ko, nandirito kayo. Lagi ko kayong iniisip. Kahit hindi ko kayo i-chat na kumustahin. Pero sa isipan ko, Grace, kinakamusta ko kayo lagi. Lagi ko kayong iniisip. I-bless, patuloy kang maging mabuting tao. Napaka-bless mo. And I'm so blessed too. Naging pamangkin kita. Maraming salamat and happy blessed birthday. May the blessing of the Lord be upon you and I bless you in the name of the Lord. Yan, kanta yun, Grace, ha? Yan. God bless you, Grace. And let the shower of blessing be upon you. Sa pamilya mo. And thank you, Gracia. Thank you so much. Yan, maraming salamat. And God bless you more and more birthday to come. Love you! Huwag mong akalimutan na lagi kitang iniisip. Lagi ko kayong iniisip. Lahat kayo. Lahat kayo nasa isipan ko kayo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Lahat kayong mga pamangkin ko. And I love you, Grace. God bless you, Grace. Happy birthday. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.